In this video, I will show you how to set up your WhatsApp. So this is how you can get started on WhatsApp. So first of all, you need to download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. And then from there, you need to click on the application. And then this will be the first thing that you will see. So when you see this, you need to click on agree and continue to the privacy policy and terms of service. So let's click on agree and continue. And right now, WhatsApp will ask you to send notifications. So for WhatsApp, it is really handy if they can send you notifications. Otherwise, you will not see messages. So in this section, you will need to fill in your phone number. And once you fill in your phone number, you will need to verify this with a code. So make sure that you are able to get this verification code and to fill it in. So let's go ahead and fill in our phone number and then click on next. Right now I need to fill in my username and I can also add a profile icon. And in the screen before this, you need to select if you want WhatsApp to use all of your contacts, to sync with them, or just select a couple of contacts. So just go ahead and fill in what you want. I'm just going to fill in my name in here and then I'm going to click on done. In this section, you need to fill in the verification code that is sent to your phone number. So let's do that. After you've done that, the code will be validated, as you can see. So the code was validated and now I can secure my account with Face ID or Touch ID or a passcode. And if you are on an Android device, this will ask you something similar to this. So right now I'm just going to click on continue. And as you can see, right now I'm able to use WhatsApp. So now I can start having chats with people, and that is basically how you do it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.